Hey guys, welcome to this lecture series of Python. In this series, I am going to teach you the basic Pythons from scratch. So first of all, I am Rahul Nikam. I am a research scholar at IIT Madras. I completed my MTech from NIT Bhopal. I am a GATE and NET qualified. This is the course outline. In first few lectures, we will go through introduction of Python and how to set up Anaconda. Then we will go with the Jupyter introduction, uh, and we will write our first Python program. After we will learn about what types of variables are available in Python. We will see strings and basic strings operations, tuple, dictionary, basic operators in a Python like plus, minus, division, multiplication, etc. Basic functions in a Python, conditional statements like if, else. We will look into loops, file handling, and there will be one bonus lecture where I will cover how to automate things or how to extract files from internet. So in today's lecture, I will be talking about what is Python, why to learn Python, what are the careers options available in for Python developers, how to set up a Python with Anaconda, uh, how to use Jupyter, and we will write our first program using Jupyter. So let's go on the definition of Python. So Python is a very popular general purpose, interactive, object oriented, and high level programming language. So we will see the meaning of each word one by one. So what do you mean by popular? Popular means Python is easy to learn, and hundreds of Python libraries are freely available. So it is very popular among the various new coders or those who want to learn their first programming language. Why it is a general purpose? So Python can be used for many tasks, development tasks. Like we can use Python to develop websites. We can use Python to develop any tools or softwares, or we can use Python to automate many things. We can use Python to visualize data. Uh, it is interactive. This means that you can actually sit at a Python prompt and you can interact directly with interpreter and you can directly code. So this we will see by example in next few lectures. Uh, what what do you mean by object oriented? So Python is an object oriented programming language, which means that all its elements can be broken down into objects, and we can call these objects while developing our large programs. So why to learn Python? So so whenever we start learning a new programming language, so we got one question that why we are learning this language and what is the importance of this language. So first is Python is an open source language. It means we need not to buy any license to use it or to write a program using Python. Second is Python is very easy to learn, and it's a very simple programming language as compared to C, Java, or any other languages. Its syntax is very simple. Python has a powerful development libraries, like many libraries for data scientists or for artificial intelligence or machine learning libraries are freely available. So it will be helpful for those who want to make a career in data science or those who want to develop some machine learning based tools. And in last, Python is very demanding these days. Like many companies are looking for data analysts or data science engineers, so they need a Python as a at least like most known programming language. So we will look into what are the career options available with Pythons. So if you learn the Python, you can become a game developer, you can become a website a designer, or you can become a Python developer where you can develop softwares. Uh, You can become a full stack developer or machine learning engineer, data scientist, data analyst, or data engineer, and many more roles can be get using Python. So now we will look how to set up a Python using a Anaconda setup. So what is a Anaconda? Anaconda is a, like most popular platform for Python and R. So in this tutorial we will going to see what is Anaconda and what are the benefits of Anaconda. So Anaconda is a distribution of Python and R. So it is free and open source package, and we can easily manage and deploy various environments using Anaconda. So why should we use Anaconda for any project? So first, as I told you that it is a free and open source. It has more than 1500 plus Python and data science packages which are freely available. It makes package management and development easy. So we can easily manage multiple projects using a single laptop or a single desktop. It has tools to easily collect data from sources using machine learning or AI based. These are the inbuilt tools available to perform machine learning and AI based applications. And last, it is has a good community support. So if you have any question, you can post and you can easily get an answer for your question. So to install Anaconda, you need to go to the this link called www.anaconda.com/product/distribution. So you will get this page. So depending on your operating system, you can choose installer. So in this case, I'm using a Windows, so you can go to this Windows installer and download this installation file. So you will get a exe file. Now to install that from the exe file, you need to open the that .exe file, and it will show this figure which is shown here. So to install, you need to click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, it will ask you to agree on some terms and conditions. So you need to click on this I agree button. Then it depends on whether you want to install it just for yourself or you want to install it for all the users on the computer. So based on that, you can click on the next button. System. Once it is installed correctly, you will then you will search Anaconda in your search bar. You will get various options here like Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda PowerShell prompt, etc. So you need to click on this Anaconda Navigator. Once you click on that, you will get this Anaconda Navigator where you have various options to run a Python or R program. So here we have command prompt. We have Delore, we have Jupyter Lab, we have Jupyter Notebook, Spider. So in this lecture series, we are going to use a Jupyter Notebook. So you need to click on this Notebook, and it will open a Jupyter Notebook for you. So once this Jupyter Notebook is opened, we will go and create a new Python notebook. So for that, you need to click on New and select Python 3. So you will get this kind of a new notebook. So we can change the name of this notebook here, and this is the notebook we have opened just now. So to start with our first program, you need to write. So you can write as a print in brackets. We can write in double quotes hello world. So to if then we click on the run button, we will get output as a hello world. So this is the simplest example of a program here. In this lecture, we learn how to how to install the Anaconda, and how to run a Jupyter notebook to execute the programs. In next lecture, we will look into detail of Jupyter notebook, and we will go through various variables and uh, more things about Jupyter and Python code. Thank you.